So I have applied this thermal pads over here, as you can see, and I'm going to uh, put this thing on, but I have to make sure that the plastic sheets are removed from here, and then I'm going to uh, uh, I'm going to apply this heat sink, and then I'll apply the screws. So stay with me. So I have applied the thermal pads and I have removed the plastic sheet from them. I'm going to apply this now, and so I'm going to gently screw it in the right place, starting from here, then here, then here, then here, here, then here, so we are almost ready. So I'm just going to give it power and see how it responds. So stand by. So this is the charger and we are going to do a power on test. So I'll just turn off the light for a bit. This is the charging port, and this is the HMI board, and I have not connected any RAM yet because I just want to test the power on. So power is turning on and it is turning off, so it is a very good sign that it is working on the power side. So I'll disconnect this and I'll connect the rest of the pieces, like I'll connect the display and connect the RAM and resume this video. Okay, so I have connected the RAM. This is the RAM and 8 GB of RAM, and this is the LVDS connector, as you can see, and this is the power connector, and all we need now is power and in order to get display. So this is the screen that I have here. So all the connectors are connected in the correct direction, and this is connected in the correct direction, this is connected in the correct direction. So all we have to do is to see if the display appears or not. So we have this screen, HP ProBook 450 G5 screen. So we'll just connect the power and see how it goes. So I'm going to plug in power. So I have plugged in the power and light turn on and off. So if all goes well, we should see the display over here. First boot up takes a lot of time. This is true for every HP board. So as you can see, power is on, just waiting for display to come. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, light has turned on, so this is a good sign the display is working, and it has given us error that the memory size has changed because the memory was different previously and now its memory is different. Previously there was 16 GB of RAM and now it has 8 GB of RAM. So at least the display is working. So we'll have to connect the keyboard and then we can go into BIOS to see more stuff. So hold on. So I have connected the keyboard now, and I have put in this sheet and this paper over here so that the board is insulated and there is no chance of short circuit. This is our port, and now we will connect again and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, it is turning on. The backlights, not sure this is a backlit keyboard or not. Yes, it is a backlit keyboard, and let's wait for the display to come. So it is restarting and it says RTC error because there is no chip, there is no there is no CMOS cell in the board right now, so we'll just quickly do this and try to enter the BIOS. It's probably F2 or F10. I'll press both just in case, I don't really remember. Okay, so it says hard disk not found, so we'll go to F10 or maybe escape. Let's do escape this time. Okay, so we don't need to do this. Keyboard isn't working properly. Some of the keys on this keyboard are not working. So I'll just try a different keyboard. Hang on. Okay, so finally I have managed to use a different keyboard to enter setup. So I'll just zoom this in to see the specifications, because I don't have an operating system right now in an SSD, so it will take some time to assemble all of this up. So first I'll go and check the system information. So I'll press the enter key, and it says 450G5 Core i7-8550U, 1.8 gigahertz, 16 GB of RAM. Okay, so it is 16 GB of RAM, and on 2018. We just need to verify the GPU. So it says show advanced information. I don't know how this is going to work, because the system information, advanced information. This is the memory speed, and the system BIOS is there. Intel GOP driver is loaded. Doesn't show the GPU for some reason. The GPU is not indicated over here for some reason, which is my biggest concern. So it says video bias this, but it's Intel GOP driver, so it means that NVIDIA GOP driver is not loaded. And built-in device options, so hybrid graphics is there, and UMS, so hybrid is okay. And so we'll have to install an operating system, and for that I have to assemble this all together, because this can heat up and go out of order. So I'll just shut this down for the moment, and then I'll assemble this all up and connect everything. One thing is remaining, that is the battery charging test, so I'll do that when I've assembled everything together. So just stay tuned. Thank you.